really enjoyed this first workshop, and I thought it was really good. I learned that Queen Elizabeth II's great-great-grandma actually has African heritage, which is really surprising, and it was very educational.
I really enjoyed this workshop because I didn't think I was going to learn so much, and I wasn't expecting it to be this enjoyable, and I really enjoyed doing the activities with my new friend here. So yeah, I say that you should come to this anytime you have free time to come.
Hello, today my children will do Black Lives Are Precious workshops, 3 very interactive, very informative workshops. They all learned something, they all got to think, which was very important. They did some writing, they did some drawing, so that kept their creative juices flowing, and they all really enjoyed it. I brought 4 children along today, various ages, some in primary, some in secondary. They all engaged and did amazing work. The other children in the groups, they did some fantastic as well. One boy, since they get he's in year 7, did a fantastic poster about a demonstration and police brutality. But yeah, all the workshops really thought-provoking, very engaging, all entertaining, fantastic. Bring your children along, they'll love it. And parents, you'll learn and love it too. So yeah, if you're not busy, come along, like Christian Studies, educating the community to educate yourselves.
Attention, no talking. So what you need to do is hold up your poster. That's good. And introduce yourself, say your name, and what does your poster portray. Okay? So, who would like to go first? Ladies first.
Okay.
Yeah?
My name is Louisa, and my poster is about promoting peace, and so that the police can just leave us be because we're really peaceful. And it says, "The world runs on peace, please leave us alone." So for the world, I tried to draw the earth, but it didn't go out so well. But then for the police, I got some flowers that are kind of heart shape, so we must love our brothers and sisters, and that. Yeah.
Excellent. Round of applause. So, say your name?
My name is Ravel, and mine about leaving us alone, stop terrorizing us.
Yeah.
What was your poster say?
Leave us alone. Because if they don't leave us alone, people will be extinct, and then they'll have to learn lots of stuff, because the election is gonna black people do stuff for them. They'll have to learn how to do it themselves.
Wow. Out of mouth of babes.
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. Thank you. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, so everybody listen. So say your name and present what's on your poster. So who would like to go first?
I'll go first.
Yeah, okay, so your poster.
Okay, so my name is Ezra, and I had a poster about black people fighting for their rights and stuff. And we saw the images that people saying that police are pigs. And I also wrote more white supremacy.
Excellent, excellent. Very good. Yes, is it your name?
So my name's Sue, and I put Battle for Freedom, as you can see, and it says brothers and sisters on trial for defending the rights of black people. And as you can see at the bottom left, it says pigs because police are pigs. They kept on troubling us and they wouldn't leave us alone. And this is the fist of a black person.
Excellent,
To show
excellent.
black power.
Black power. Excellent. Well done. So similar format, say your name. And then start talking. So your name? Teresa, okay, yeah.
Okay, so I did some writing about this photograph. It's not exactly creative writing. Okay, in this photograph I can see a young black woman pointing to a door that has graffiti on it. The graffiti says "Keep It in White." The photo was taken at the International Personal Training Centre in Camden, London by Neil Kenlock in 1974. When I look at the photo, I don't feel shocked, but I feel resentment towards the people who did the graffiti, and quite annoyed. The feelings associated with the photo are hatred and racism towards black people, and I think that it means that white people have felt threatened by the growing black community and wanted to keep their country clean and not have others disturb their ways, which is ironic because they invited us to come here in the first place to grow like their weak economy and to have more people to be bus conductors, train drivers, etc.
Say your name and introduce your.
I'm Joel and I did a poem. Every day I went to my favourite cafe. I ate rice and peas with delight until a police officer raided our shop with a shock and a fright. They searched for drugs. They didn't find them. They went for hard tugs, but they weren't real thugs. We started a massive riot so we could fight for rights, and the police could not keep us quiet. We took a lot of discrimination. It was really hurtful. The police were a real threat to our nation.
What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Shout out. Tell me what you've learned today. Yes?
That Black Panther group has 2 women and 7 men in the group.
Yeah. Who were arrested? Yeah. Yes.
The Metropolitan Police specifically targeted.
Yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah. Can you hear that?
The police were called pigs.
Yeah. They were called pigs, and the reason why they were called pigs because that was a slur. That was a slur, slander against them. Yeah, or cuss word as you would call it, yeah, against the police. And pigs are usually associated with being dirty and the dirty tactics that they use and dirty ways and dirty behaviours that they portrayed towards black people. So they were called pigs, yeah? Yeah, and they were pigs. Young people love you.
When they protest, Brother Peace got a pig's head from the butcher and used it when they protest.
Yeah, oh yes, yeah. Very, very powerful imagery. Very powerful imagery. Walking down the road with a pig's head in your hand. Yes?
They were a peaceful group who only used violence if it was shown towards them.
Yeah, yeah. So they didn't intentionally go out and victimize the police. They just wanted to live and be like gentleman was saying, just sit down and eat his rice and peas and have fun in the shop. Yeah.
Between the 9 girls and 9, there were 2 women, 7 men, and 31 charges.
Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. Yes.
But back in the day, black people were extremely strong for standing up for their rights. Just because they were black, and that today we can still be those kind of people fight for our rights.
Yeah. Yeah, and we stand up for our rights. We don't have to be protesting in the streets. We can fight for our rights in a variety of different ways. Yeah.